Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a simple report in Power BI. This is very simple, and let's start how to do this. First of all, you will have to open Power BI. If you have installed Power BI, you have downloaded and installed Power BI. You will have its icon. Double clicking its icon, Power BI will open for you. I have already opened Power BI. I'm going to tell you how to do work at it. Suppose this is open Power BI, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new file. Simply I click on this, and new window will be opened where I will perform the task of inserting a text box in the Power BI. This is one task, and the second task is creating or displaying a table in Power BI, and this is very simple. Look, the editor is going to be ready, and it is getting open. What we will have to do first, we should learn and we should know how to insert a text box. This is getting starting button. We click on it, and now if you have a work email address, you can enter your work email address, and you will be able to connect to the Power BI service. And if you don't have a work email address, then you cannot connect to the Power BI service. Power BI, you can only connect to the Power BI desktop, and I'm going to connect to the Power BI desktop. This is the reason that I'm going to close this window. I closed it, and here currently we are at Home tab, and in Home tab we are going to insert a text box, and this is a text box. Add a text box to your report. How to add a text box to a report? Simply click on this button, and here is our text box, and this is a formatting toolbar for formatting the text box. Suppose I'm going to write it here, top 1000 films. Top 1000 films. I wrote it, and now I want to format it. Select it. Font style. Suppose I want to give some different color. This is blue sky color. We change the color, and apart from color, we can change the position of the text in the text box. Suppose we want to place it in the center, just click it here. Now it will be looking at the center, and this is our text box. You can move the text box rightward and downward by dragging it. This is the position of the text box now. This was one task, how to insert a text box in the Power BI, and then another task is how to insert a table in Power BI. For this, what we are going to do is to click Get Data. Simply click Get Data, and after a little time, it will give you the option what type of data you want to import or get. Suppose I have an Excel file containing the list of lot of films, and I select it Excel workbook. I selected it, and this is list of films which I already have downloaded and saved it here. We select it. We selected it. It is getting connected, and from here list of films.xlsx, we check this option. We did so, and here we click on load button. We did so. Now the table will be loaded. Here we apply changes, creating connection. It takes a little time. Now the connection is established to the Excel file containing the details about the films, and we have to generate a report containing 1000 top films. For this, we are going to create a table. This is another very basic and simple task. How to create a table. This is very simple. In the visualization pane, look, we click on the table, we clicked it. This is our table. Empty table containing nothing. We place it under the text box containing 1000 top films. Now we need to import the different columns. This is the film table. When we click it, we expand it. Suppose we want to select some fields from here. Suppose for the first time we select position. Position will come it here under the columns. How many columns we select it here? They will be under the columns option. Now we select the title option. We did so. We select the director. We select the minimum. We selected 4 columns, and all the 4 columns here come in visualization pane under the columns element. This is so simple. You can see it. Now suppose we want to apply some formatting. Click on this format button, and suppose we want to change the column headers. We want to change the font size of column header. Suppose we make it 20. Now it is looking clear. Its visibility has improved. Suppose we want to change the text color. We select sky blue color. Now the color has changed. Suppose we want to apply background colors. Here we apply the background colors. We did so. Now yellow is the background color. These are the things. Now the table is ready. You can apply formatting to other fields as well, to the whole table as well, and you can do it so easily. Suppose I'm going to select all the films that are in the table. It may take a lot of time. You can see the cursor going down. It may take a lot of, means a minute or close to a minute in selecting. And when we select the columns, then we will apply different formatting upon the records and columns. And formatting is necessary in Power BI because we have to format the reports to get better visualization and decisive type of insights to the organizational business data. You can see it. Suppose we select it here up to this, and now we apply some formatting. We are going to change the font size. Suppose we also make it 20. This is now 20. Suppose we want to change the text color. Suppose we make it blue. This is now blue. Suppose we want to change the background color. Suppose it is suppose we select this color. It is up to you which color suit to you. or which is your requirement, you can do all this. These are different formatting. Now our basic simple report is ready. We performed basic 2 tasks. We inserted a text box containing the top 1000 films, and then we created a film containing 4 columns, and then we applied some formatting upon the columns and the contents of the rows and columns. And now this is our simple report generated. We generated a simple report. Hopefully you understand it and you will enjoy it, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.